kayong lahat! Nais ko po muna kayong batiin ng magandang gabi at nagpapasalamat ako from the bottom of my heart. You are all here to celebrate the 7th year anniversary with us. Salamat. Mabanggitin ko lang po very swiftly our leaders from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, from the various groups that we have, from our foreign offices, Dubai, Singapore, Taiwan, and soon to be Abu Dhabi, and many more offices to come. For those responsible for planning this event, I thank you. I'd like to especially thank our President, who was very meticulous and who directed this program himself, as he was like directing and planning the acquisition of his various cars. Thank you, Mr. President. Mga royalistas, gusto ko pong i-reminisce ko sa inyo kung paano nabuo ang ating pinakamamahal na royal. Noong po, 7 years ago, I met this person introduced to me casually by a friend. We had a few drinks and I sized him up and discussed with him the possibilities of having a company like Royal. After a few meetings, we agreed. And together, we said, we will work for a cause. We will design a different Filipino drink for all of you. Alam po ninyo, hindi kaya ng isang tao na palakihin, palaguin, at maging leader ng institusyon na ito. It would take a synergy, a beautiful relationship and combination para po gumulong ang wheels of Royal. Kaya, meron po tayong chairman, meron tayong presidente, meron tayong management committee. Salamat sa inyo lahat. Ang history po natin will teach us that no company or business goes on a straight line basis upwards. Maaari po itong mag-stable ng ganon, pataas. Wala pong negosyo from down, dire-diretsong pataas. Yan po ang naging history natin. Hindi po agad-agad nakamit natin ang tagumpay, kundi sa blood, sweat, and tears po galing itong lahat na ito. Along the way, we paused, but we never stopped. Alam po ninyo, sabi ng mga nag-witness, nagbigay po ng mga statements nila dito, hindi po kayo dapat tumigil. The word stopping or stop, wala po sa diksyonaryo ng royalista. Now that we are 7 years old, my dear royalistas, we have made entrepreneurs and good businessmen out of you. Many among you went up the stage and showed happy and fulfilled faces. Alam po ninyo, we made sure that we will be able to give you a good company. A good company like Royal Business Club. Gusto ko pong ipaliwanag sa inyo kung ano po ang nagawa ng Royal sa 7 taon nating pinagsamahan sa kumpanyang ito. We have invested for you para po sa inyong lahat magkaroon kayo ng oportunidad na mag-improve sa inyong mga buhay. Binigyan namin kayo ng pagkakataon, malaking pagkakataon upang lalo kayong umasenso. Ngayon po, we have a modest company headquarters that we have built for you. 6,000 square meters of your home. Alam po ninyo, yung 19 branches po natin in key cities in the Philippines, baka masundan pa po ng 2. Pinag-aaralan po natin mabuti. Yan po ay regalo din namin sa inyo. Inaalay namin sa inyo lahat ito. Sa Dubai po, Singapore, Taiwan, and soon, ibabalita sa inyo ng ating Presidente na meron po tayong branch sa Middle East. Hulaan lang ninyo. I'm sure alam niyo na po ito kung saan tayo nakakuha ng lugar upang lalong palawakin at maging 2 na ang Ferrari ni Mr. Cancio. Gusto po natin na magkaroon ng alyansa sa isang local businessman sa Indonesia. Pinag-aaralan pa po natin ito. Lahat po ng ating galaw ngayon, from here on, we will carefully study them. Gusto rin po natin at nais natin magkaroon at maging present sa Europa. Kung paano po tayo magiging present sa Europa, ikukwento din sa inyo ng ating Presidente. Ngayon po, ang Royal ay isang napakalaking organisasyon na po. Not considering the ever-growing distributors that we have hired several management officers that will give you quality training. Because we feel that educating all of you is necessary to sustain our growth. Kinakailangan alam nyo ang negosyo natin. Alam po ninyo, our midterm goal is to continue our phenomenal growth. Marami pong nagugulat. Sobra namang phenomenal ang growth ng Royal. Totoo ba yan? Totoo po ba to? Salamat sa inyong paniwala sa Royal. Ang isa po pa nating midterm goal is for us to make Royal a global brand. Hindi po natin magagawa ito kung wala tayong international presence. So slowly, we will do it. Slowly but surely. 7 years po is such a very short time. I can tell you that Royal is just starting. Nag-uumpisa pa lang po tayo sa mga susunod na distributors na nagbabalak maging negosyante, maging entrepreneur, we are still very young and adolescents at that. Parang ako po, very young. Masasabi ko sa inyo, we have not even tapped 3% of our local target market. In foreign lands, we are just starting. As our output continues to improve, Royalistas, we have already made them feel we are here, and we have arrived in the words of our President. Congratulations. Sa mga umakyat dito na masaya at fulfilled, ipagpatuloy po niyong ibalita and tell the story of Royal and how you did it. That is how you should share to your fellow distributors. We have all done well here, and we should not rest on our laurels, mga kaibigan. Huwag kayong titigil kahit magkano na po ang inyong kinita. Marami pa po nag-aantay sa ating success. Marami pong success yan! In ending, Royalistas, as great nations balance their economies, and as you, our leaders, balance your respective groups, you must remember to balance your lives as well. This is necessary for you to sustain your improved lives. Balansehin nyo ang inyong mga buhay. Wala pong substitute. As your chairman, i-emphasize ko po sa inyo, and I'm willing to repeat, you are very lucky to belong to the royal family because Royal is committed to each and every one of you. Sabay-sabay po natin sabihin, Happy Anniversary!